In the northern part of China, the filling of zongzi often contains either Chinese dates or sweetened red bean paste. We call them 甜粽子. Tián, second tone, means sweet. 甜粽子, 甜粽子, 甜粽子. In the southern part of China, however, zongzi filling often contains pork, egg yolks, ham, and so on. We call them 咸粽子, salty 粽子. 咸, second tone, means salty. 咸粽子, 咸粽子, 咸粽子. 我喜欢咸粽子。Ellie, 你喜欢甜粽子还是咸粽子？ Ellie, which kind of 粽子 do you prefer? Sweet or salty? 我喜欢咸粽子 because I like meat. I like salty ones because I like meat. Okay, today we learned some words about 端午节, 赛龙舟 and 粽子. That's all for today's lesson. Now it's your turn. Upload your recordings and tell me if you have tried 粽子 or seen dragon boat races before. If so, how did you like them? Leave me a message and don't forget to let me know what topics you want to learn. 端午节快乐！再见。